Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the Wix website URL. So firstly, just simply open your web browser, then go to the wix.com, then just simply log into your dashboard. After you're inside your dashboard, just simply click on edit site over here. So after you are in Wix editor page, what you have to do is just simply click on page and menu over here, and from there just simply choose which page you want to edit. So let's say, for example, I want to edit the page for About Us. So just simply click on that and click on the three dots over here. Now, just simply go to settings. Now, over here you will see the name for About Us. If we change the name over here, it will also change the name on the header. Let me show you. So as you can see, it is currently About Us over here. Now, if I change the name over here, let's say if I remove us, then if I click anywhere on the screen, now it is also updated in the header. But this is not how you have to change the URL. So for changing the URL, what you have to do is just simply again click the three dots, go to settings. First let me change this back to normal. About Us. Now for changing the URL, just simply go to SEO basics over here. Now over here you will see how to change the URL, which will be shown into Google. So this is what it is currently showing. Now let me show you how you can change that. So for doing that, just simply click on the text and edit whatever you want, like again removing us from over here. So as you can see, after changing us, the URL has changed and it will look something like this in the Google. So again, if I enter the us, it will again change. Now in order to save this, just simply click anywhere on the screen and it will be saved automatically, as you can see over here. Now after doing all of the changes, just simply click publish over here. And that's it. That's how you can change the URL in Wix. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.